Okay, here is what I got from my garden, as you can see. Tomatoes, bell peppers, and okra. So I'm going to fry some okra, and I have some in a plastic bag, so I'm going to wash it. Some of it I may freeze. We'll just see. Okay, I'm adjusting my camera. Okay, here's my okra. I'm going to wash it and then cut it up, okay? So let me rinse it. And I'm going to dry it with a paper towel and cut it up. Let me get a bowl. I can adjust this camera. Okay, so here's my okra. Okay, I'm back. Okay, I have an egg here. Here's all my okra that's been cut up. And I have some seasoning salt, Tony Chachera, Cajun season, Creole season, and some black pepper. And so what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to crack this egg. And I'm gonna beat up this egg. I should have used a fork, but anyway, I got a spoon, it's okay. And so, I'm gonna season this egg with some seasoning salt or Creole seasoning and black pepper. Put a little bit of black pepper on here, on the okra. And I'm going to put the okra in there. What is this? And let me just kind of get that egg on everything. That'll help the cornmeal bind to the okra. So when I fry it, hopefully it'll stay together. And I don't have much okra, but this is what we're going to do. I got my chicken frying. And after my chicken finished frying, I'm going to just drop a few little pieces of this okra. And it does not take long to cook. Because like I said, you can eat okra raw, actually. You want it to brown. And so here is my cornmeal. So in just a few minutes, let's see, let me make sure I got all that egg mixture on there good. Okay. I think I do. So let me go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and just dump all that in there. Okay, so we're going to, that's the cornmeal mix. Make sure I got enough cornmeal on that breading. I think I need to add some more cornmeal breading to it. Let me grab my cornmeal. Yellow cornmeal is what I have to use. Okay, I got my yellow cornmeal, and let me just add some extra cornmeal to this for this okra. Like I said, I'm used to doing frozen okra, but this time I'm doing fresh okra from the garden. So you're shaking it up. Yeah, see that? You want that okra to, you want that egg to bind on that cornmeal and kind of make sure it's all combined. Add a little more. Yeah, that's looking better. Okay, we'll be putting this in the oil to fry in just a few minutes. I'm waiting for my chicken to brown. Be right back. Okay, I'm back, you guys, and I better get my okra in this hot oil. over in the refrigerator just to let it set a little bit. And so I'm gonna drop some of this okra. This is the breaded okra, fresh from the garden. So I'm gonna drop some pieces down in here. And I got some a couple chicken wings in there too, but it'll be okay all together. It's okay. We're just gonna see how this works. Okra. Breaded okra. And if you know better tricks to make sure this okra sticks, let me know. It's on there, but like I said, I'm so used to doing the frozen. So we'll have some okra, fried okra in a few minutes. It doesn't take long. Okay, let me make sure I don't let it brown too much. Flip this over. I hope you can see that. Let me see if I can get the camera a little bit closer so you can see this okra. I need to drop a few more pieces, but I guess I'll let this come out first before I let me make sure you can see that with this camera. Let's see. Make sure you got a good angle. Yeah, you want it brown. Like I said, it don't take long. I'm just gonna sit it over here on my little rack. Let me drop a few more pieces and move that over to the side.